8046. The volume of a cylinder equals 70 cubic inches when the piston is at bottom center. When the piston is at the top of the cylinder, the volume equals 10 cubic inches. What is the compression ratio? A. 10:7. B. 10:1. C. 7:1. The correct answer is C. To calculate the compression ratio, we need to compare the volume of the cylinder at bottom dead center, BDC, to the volume at top dead center, TDC, of the piston's travel. Given volume at BDC equals 70 cubic inches, volume at TDC equals 10 cubic inches, the compression ratio is determined by dividing the volume at BDC by the volume at TDC. Compression ratio equals volume at BDC / volume at TDC. Compression ratio equals 70 cubic inches / 10 cubic inches. Compression ratio equals 7:1. 8047. When cleaning aluminum and magnesium engine parts, it is inadvisable to soak them in solutions containing soap because A. Some of the soap will become impregnated in the surface of the material and subsequently cause engine oil contamination and foaming. B. The soap can chemically alter the metals, causing them to become more susceptible to corrosion. C. The parts can be destroyed by dissimilar metal electrolytic action if they are placed together in the solution for more than a few minutes. The correct answer is A. When cleaning aluminum and magnesium engine parts, it is generally advised not to soak them in solutions containing soap. This is because soap can leave behind residue or become impregnated in the surface of the material. This residue can subsequently contaminate the engine oil and cause foaming, which can lead to lubrication issues and potential engine damage. Aluminum and magnesium are susceptible to certain chemicals and residues that can affect their surface properties and corrosion resistance. Therefore, it is important to use cleaning methods and solutions specifically designed for these metals to avoid any adverse effects. While the other options mentioned in B and C can also be factors to consider when cleaning engine parts, the most relevant reason for not soaking aluminum and magnesium parts in soap solutions is the potential for engine oil contamination and foaming. 8048. What is the purpose of a power check on a reciprocating engine? A. To check magneto drop. B. To determine satisfactory performance. C. To determine if the fuel-air mixture is adequate. The correct answer is B. The purpose of a power check on a reciprocating engine is to determine the satisfactory performance of the engine. During a power check, the engine's power output is measured and compared to the expected or desired valves. By conducting a power check, the pilot or maintenance personnel can assess the engine's performance, including factors such as power output, RPM, revolutions per minute, manifold pressure, and other relevant parameters. This helps in evaluating the engine's health, ensuring it is operating within acceptable limits, and detecting any potential issues or abnormalities. The power check provides valuable information about the engine's overall performance, including its ability to deliver the expected power output and maintain the desired operational parameters. It helps in monitoring engine performance, identifying any deviations or discrepancies, and taking appropriate actions if necessary. 8049. What will be the likely result if the piston ring gaps happen to be aligned when performing a differential pressure compression check on a cylinder? A. Little or no effect. B. The rings will not be seated. C. A worn or defective ring indication. The correct answer is C. To lessen blow-by, the piston rings joints must be spaced out around the diameter of the piston in which they are fitted. A differential compression check will reveal worn or damaged rings if the gaps are not staggered. 8050. Which of the following will be caused by excessive valve clearance of a cylinder on a reciprocating aircraft engine? A. Reduced valve overlap period. B. Intake and exhaust valves will open early and close late. C. A power increase by shortening the exhaust event. The correct answer is A. Excessive valve clearance delays intake valve opening and causes the exhaust valve to close early. This shortens the valve overlap period. So the correct result is a reduced valve overlap period.